Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a product from Crucial. This is the X9 Pro, 4 terabytes, and they claim speeds up to so reads 1050 megabytes per second, write 1050 megabytes per second. They give you a 5-year warranty, and it's dust resistant, water resistant, password protection as well, so you can have it like that. And yeah, I'll show you something amazing. I'll show you what I really like about this is the size of it. Look how small it is. It comes with one of these cables, but it's so small. So yeah, let's open it up. It's made of some sort of plastic on the bottom, then metal on the top. That's the USB-C port. So yeah, let's have a look and test. Just so you make an idea, this is the Crucial X8. That's my palm. That's an iPhone 15. Very tiny. And I also have a special cable in here from LinkUp. This one says 40 gig transfer speeds. So let's just test it. So we'll have a laptop which supports USB-C, and what I've done is we're gonna use a command, and we'll do it like that. I'm gonna stop the thing, but for now let's just quickly, I'll add it and I'll so we probably, let me just make sure it works first, if it reads through this, because sometimes I have some trouble. Okay guys, so I've realized my laptop's USB-C port is a bit old. So what I want to show you now is also that this has a little LED light, which is quite cute inside there. So I've tried with different cables. Let me turn off this light. But as you can see, that's the best speed I'm getting, 465.446. And that's because the USB-C port I'm using on my laptop, it's old. It's an older generation, and it won't allow you a faster speed than that. I've also tried with this, and I'm getting similar results, 400 and like 399, 391, where you could see if I do one on the C drive, that was with a different cable, and if I do one on the C drive, where it is in here, I hope you could see, I don't know if you can see on this app, it does shows that the disk read is 2036 megabytes per second, and the write is 755. So I'm obviously gonna try when I have another laptop again, but I'm pretty sure it's because of the USB-C port on the laptop. I've tried to see if I can find an app on the iPhone to do that, but I can't. So yeah, I might come back with another video, but at the moment I was getting pretty much the same with the other app, with the other my SSD. Yeah, so I thought maybe it's the cable. I've tried with its own cable, but that's the best I can get. I can see after this test, I can feel it's a bit warm. They will get hot, depends what you're doing, but yeah, that's the results I got. Hopefully it gives you an idea. You will definitely get 1,000 and 1,000 if I try with a proper new, like a Thunderbolt port, but yeah, otherwise this is how it looks like. Very tiny, very nice and portable, similar to a micro SD card. Looking forward to use it and to copy data on it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. That's my new my new SSD, and that's the previous one I have. This one is 2 terabytes, this one is 4 terabytes, and they have similar read speed. from the same generation. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.